Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Storytelling. Alphabet H to M. Hello, kids. Today we have a fun and exciting story about Hania and her friends. Let's learn some new words from the alphabet H to M while enjoying this wonderful story. Hania lives in Lahore. She has two best friends, Jawaria and Komal. H for Hania, L for Lahore. J for Jawaria, K for Komal. Can you repeat after me? H for Hania, L for Lahore. Jawaria loved horse riding, and Komal loved playing with kittens. J for Jawaria, H for horse, K for Komal, K for kittens. Wow, what fun hobbies they have. What do you love to do? One day, all three friends had lots of fun while playing. They laughed, they ran, and finally they sat down to enjoy a delicious mango milkshake. M for mango, M for milkshake. Doesn't that sound tasty? What's your favorite drink? Learning activity. Let's find the letters. Look at this picture. Can you find and point at something that starts with H? Can you find a horse? K? Where are the kittens? M. Can you see the mango milkshake? Great job, everyone. You are learning so fast. Wow, today we learned so many amazing words from H to M. Now, I have a challenge for you. Can you find more words that start with these letters? Share them with me next time. See you soon, my little learners. Keep practicing, and let's have fun with more letters.